The question on the screen says a model a torch battery of length L to be made up of thin cylindrical bar of radius A and a concentric thin cylindrical shell of radius B filled in between with the electrolyte of resistivity ρ. If the battery is connected to a resistance of value R, the maximum Joule heating in R will take place for. And then we are given with a figure as you can see on the screen and the four different options provided to us. So let's understand this question a bit. So there is a battery of torch having the length L and its radius is A. Also cylindrical shell, concentric cylindrical shell of radius B. So and it is also given that it is filled with the electrolyte of resistivity ρ. So now we have to find out the maximum Joule heating in R. So how we will find out this? We will first differentiate R, that is that it will come out as a rho dr whole upon 2 pi rl. So after that we will integrate that, and our integration limit will be from a to b, and after that the simple maths we studied in class 12th, integration. So by applying the upper limit and lower limit and finding out its integration, we will have the value of R, that is rho upon 2 pi L ln B by A, where R is equals to capital R for the maximum heat transfer. So according to this solution, uh, our answer for this question is option 4.